Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ko nalalaman yung picture or ano yung itsura dun sa picture, kung ilan yung tao dun. So, meron ako ditong mga apps na ginagamit, guys. So,
Home. Page videos.
punta muna tayo dito
Camera.
sa
Lookout.
etong lookout.
Application icon.
Etong lookout, guys, matagal ko na tong ginagamit. So,
close. Alert. Help center button. Close details. Back. Application icon. Help. No face in view. Sign in as Rams Tribal and Zula Valenzuela Rams at Gmail. Help us improve image. Dismiss button. Show. Turn off detection. Switch to back camera button. Take photo button.
So, meron dito,
Face.
guys.
Crop bottom left.
Ayan, sinasabi niya kung ano yung mukha ko dun sa picture.
Face. Crop left. Face. Centered.
Ayan.
Face.
Tapos,
Crop left.
ayan,
Face. Centered.
ayan,
Face.
center
Crop
na.
left.
So, try ko
Face,
na mag-picture.
Face.
Mag-picture
Crop
na
left.
ako.
Face. Centered. Face. Close.
Ayan na.
Recent media item details. A person with dark hair wearing a red tank top looking up at the camera. Close details. Download. Share button. Delete item button.
Ayan.
A person with dark hair wearing a red tank top looking up at the camera. Type question button. A person with delete item. Share button.
Tapos kung hindi ka pa na-satisfied, kung gusto mo yung mas details talaga yung yung sinasabi niya, dito tayo i-share natin.
Share image. Recent media item details. A person with dark hair wearing a red tank top looking. Share. Cancel. One image. Edit. Ruben Alvin. Fear. Quick share. My file. Be my eyes. TikTok. Be my eyes. Describe with be my eyes.
Ayan, yung Be My Eyes.
Application icon. Be my eyes. Ask more.
Ayan na.
Ask more. Share button. Your message. Image. The image shows a young boy with short black hair, wearing a sleeveless red shirt with dark gray trim. He appears to be sitting or lying down, with his eyes closed and a neutral expression on his face. Behind him, there is a metal frame, possibly part of a bunk bed, and a wall with a two-tone color scheme, featuring a darker green or teal section and a lighter section. There is also a mattress or cushion visible in the background.
Ayun, yun yung sinabi niya. So,
Home button.
meron pa ako ditong
Page
isa,
2 of 2.
guys. Yung kung gusto mo naman
Me. Camera.
videos or picture pa rin,
Application icon.
meron pa ako
Camera.
ditong isang apps. Ito yung Seeing AI. So, hanapin natin.
Weird. Latest photos button.
So, ang papadescribe ko naman sa kanya, guys,
Photos.
is video.
More. Delete. Edit. Favorite.
So, wait lang. Hanapin natin yung mga videos ko dito.
Bakal.
Ano?
Bakal ko ng noodles.
Ay, wala nang gali namon kinabalagya.
Huwag nyo na kinabaligyan. Ito mo na mo muna naka-display, oh.
Ayan, guys. Ito yung
Dili
video.
lang na ya, wala na namon kinabalagya ya.
Sus, nagbutang pa ka mo ni Changi.
Katsangya lang kami diya, pero wala kami kabaligya.
Hindi ko huli mabakal. Kaya wala naman Changi di Iban.
Di ako ba ng problema kung din ka mabakal?
Sus, hindi naman ko nagkanto kami Changi di. Tapos wala pa ka mo nagkabaligya.
Kati boss ka na lang di bakal kay boss ang pining.
Oh, kung naawal ako mo display di. May pa mo opening di. Na ano nga Changi ni.
Kay
So,
boss
ayan
may
yung
promo
guys,
di.
yan yung...
Lah, tuwan.
Oh,
Ano yung promo di?
kung makalabot 10,000 mo di bakal, may free ka nga isa kalitse nga bugas. Natig ang padaan.
Share. Selected.
So, share natin.
One item selected. Check.
Galing kasi yun sa TikTok, guys.
Files by Google. Photos upload. Facebook newsfeed. Facebook your groups. Facebook reel. Facebook your story. Messenger chat. Messenger your story. Drive. Meet. LinkedIn share and a vote. Seeing AI. Seeing AI.
So, pa-describe natin sa Seeing AI.
Application icon. Seeing AI. Processing. Please wait while. Seeing AI.
Yan, guys. So, kapag video kasi, guys, matagal talaga mag-loading. Yan, guys. Naka-screen record pala tayo ngayon. Kaya yung screen ko lang yung nakikita nyo. So, ayan, pinaprocess niya pa. Yung pag-describe niya kasi ng video guys, depende yan sa ano guys. Kung ano ka ba yung video. Pag sobrang haba na ng video, hindi niya na kayang i-describe yan. Yung mga clips lang. So yan, matagal talaga siya. So, ayan, tagal niya talaga guys kasi pinaprocess niya pa yung video kasi medyo mahaba din yung video. Kaya yun, pinaprocess niya rin. So, medyo matagal.
Scene AI.
Ayan na.
A person is seen near a window, with text on the screen mentioning an account name and the word Pabbly.
Bakal.
Inside a store, a child wearing a yellow shirt is visible, with shelves stacked with goods in the background. The word Anyo is displayed on screen. The view returns to the person near the window, with text on the screen saying, Pabbly Ako Noodles.
Algo ng noodles.
Ay,
Back in the store, the child is seen again with more items on display. The text says, I hindi pala namin yan binibinta.
wala nang gali namon kinabalagya.
Huwag nyo na ginibig.
The person outside is visible again, with text reading, Marami naman yan naka-display.
Lagyan naman namin muna naka-display, oh.
In the store, the child is visible with text stating, Display lang yan hindi namin yan binibinta.
Display lang na yan, wala na namon gin.
The child in the store is seen again with the same text as before about the items on display.
Nabalagya ya.
Sus.
The person at the window is seen with text saying, Nag tindahanpiko dito.
Nagbutang pa ka mo ni Changi.
Inside the store, the child is visible with text, May tindahan lang kami pero hindi kami nag binibinta.
Katsangyan lang kami diya, pero wala kami.
The child in the store continues with the same dialogue text as before.
Baligya.
Text on screen with the person outside reads, San Paula ako bibili wala naman dito ibang tindahan.
O, bakal.
The child inside the store is seen with text continuing the conversation.
Eh, wala naman Changi, di ba?
The person outside is visible with text repeating the shopping dilemma.
Di akong
Inside the store, the child speaks with text saying, Problema ko yan kong san ka bibili.
ng problema kung din ka mabakal.
The view shifts back to the person outside the window.
Sus. Dili mo ko nagkanto kami Changi.
The child inside speaks with text, Dito na ako pumunta dahil may tindahan dito.
Hindi, tapos wala mga.
The external view shows the person near the window with text, Tapos hindi naman kayo nag binibinta.
Nagabligya.
The child inside concludes with text, Joke, bukas ka na lang dito bumili dahil opening.
Ate boss ka na lang di ba?
A child is standing in a store with various goods displayed on the shelves behind.
Kala kay boss ang pining.
The same child is shown in the store, with items like eggs and snacks visible on the shelves.
Ulaw.
A view through a window shows a person outside, with packaged goods hanging inside the store.
Wala mo display, di. Wala pa mo opening, di.
The view from inside the store shows the person outside through a barred window.
Gaano nga Changi ni.
Kay
The child continues to stand in the store, with promotional text overlaid on the screen.
boss may promo kami di.
Wala.
The person outside the window is shown again.
Tuwan.
The child is shown sitting in the store with text overlaid.
Oh,
Back to the view of the person outside through the window.
Ay, promo di.
kung makalabot.
The child in the store speaks or reacts, with promotional information visible.
10,000 mo di bakal. May
The view shifts back to the person outside the window.
free ka nga.
The child in the store is shown again, continuing to talk about promotions.
Isa ka litse nga bugas.
A different person is briefly shown in a different setting.
Natig-ang
The child in the store is visible again, with items on the shelves behind.
padaan.
The person outside the window is shown again. Two people are sitting together, possibly in a moving vehicle. A graphic with the text, Valdez Vines, is displayed. The TikTok logo and search bar appear on screen.
So, ayun yung ano niya. So, yun yung
The TikTok
describe.
logo and search bar remain on screen.
Home button.
So, yun yung describing niya. So,
Back audio. Print.
so yun yung ano, yun yung mga ginagamit kong
Typing sound.
ano.
S recorder. S screen.
Yun yung mga ginagamit ko guys na screen ay yung
Open drawer button.
yung mga describe
0241. ID. 1 point. ID edit. ID shape. Progress bar 30. 19 hours. Record button.